Okay everybody, welcome to another Mobility X video. I wanted to show you what it's like inside the Vexel Quovis. We've got a CD here which we're just going to turn way down because I want to show you how this works. Now, got normal key and ignition. This is your parking brake. You want to imagine this actually like a normal brake. You push this up or you just use the pedal there, whatever's convenient. The gear stick here will take this down. Now, being the 500cc engine, they are, until you get them going, they start up, they're quite rockety. This has only done 26 miles on the clock, so let's start it up. These are your accelerators. You've got, obviously you've got screen wash, you've got indicators, electric windows, radio, aircon. We've got everything. We've got an automatic transmission. Let me show you how this works. Let's start it up. Now we're going to use the accelerator. Okay, now we're going to put it into drive. Now we're going to drive. I have to bear with me driving one hand here. This one drives beautiful, obviously, as it's only done 26 miles. These can do up to 50 miles an hour. I'll take it nice and steady over the humps. So as you can see, they really do speed up. Take you around the block here so you can see how it drives.